Hey everybody, 2008 Honda Odyssey. And we got to pull the transmission out. And I want to show you how I made this support. First of all, these are 2x6s, and an 8-foot 2x6 is all you need. I doubled them up. And if you notice, I want to show you, it's not sitting up in here on top of the strut. It's sitting right here on the edge of the tower. Comes down here, and there's a hole in this member here, and I ran a bolt up in the hole so it can't move this way. I also took my bar, I drilled a hole in there and screwed it to this outside piece. This is a piece of 2x2 channel that I just had laying around. Over here, same thing. We're resting on the tower. The hole in this piece of structure here has a bolt in it. And what took the longest, I don't know if you can see, but I had to kind of carve these little sections out so it would sit flat on the structure up underneath. The same over here. It sits flat. Also carved this out, which did a pretty nice job. And as you can see, it's ready to come out and drop the subframe. So if you're looking to make a support, this is the one I came up with. It looks like it's going to be pretty successful. Good luck. All right, 2008 Odyssey. You can see we're missing something here. And all this work, this ridiculous amount of labor, was to replace that O-ring right there. That's where all this oil leak came from, was that little tiny O-ring. So I also pulled the oil pan off, because over here, slide over, this O-ring up here was leaking a little bit too, and it's really hard. So I had to pull the oil pump out, change that. I also replaced the valve cover gaskets, all that myriad of stuff. Also the VTEC, all the VTEC solenoids also got O-rings replaced. There's one here, and the other one sits back here on the end. So all that got replaced as well. And this has been an incredible amount of labor just to fix one little tiny oil leak right there. All right, that's all for now.